Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy MSOL, the Marinade Staked Sol on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm logged into my Coinbase account, and after that you simply can click on the buy and sell option on the right top corner. Now we have to select the purchasing frequency. As a stock frequency, it is selected on one-time purchase. That is also what we would like to do. But if you would like to buy them on a repeatedly frequency, then just select it and select the frequency which suits to you. After that, we can fill in the amount of cash we would like to use for this purchase. Let's say 100 euros, and after that we can select the asset by clicking on the buy asset. Now we can take in MSOL, and there is the Marinade Staked Sol. Click on it. Now you have selected this coin to buy, and we also need to select our payment method. I'm using my MasterCard, as you can see, but if you would like to change the payment method or you would like to add a new payment method, click on it and then you will get to this overview. As you can see, I have different payment methods, but if you don't have any payment methods yet, first check out if your Coinbase account is verified. That is an important thing to do before you start adding a payment method. And after that, you can click on the button below to add a new payment method. Once you have added it, select it and go back to review order. Click on it, and now they will show us some information about this purchase we are going to make. We are spending in total 100 euros on this purchase, and as you can see, I'm paying no Coinbase fees because I have a Coinbase One subscription. If you buy a lot of crypto daily or weekly, or you want to do that, then make sure you check the Coinbase One subscription out, because you can save a lot of money on the Coinbase fees. They also will give you an option to invest on a weekly frequency. Once you have selected this button, you will start spending 100 euros a week on this coin. You can cancel it at any time, and after that, you can click on buy now to add those Marinade Staked Sol to your Coinbase account. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys. Bye bye.